Let's bring them on, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we are, Ponies in the Smokies 2022.
2022, so excited.
We're gonna go in and show you all the Sn95s, but before we do, big shout out to the channel sponsor, Gears Auto Works. Now, Greg wasn't able to come down for any of the festivities this weekend because his son is enlisted into the Air Force. And unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, but they moved up his enlistment date to this weekend. So he's down there with his family. So big shout out to that young man for enlisting and deciding to serve his country.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for the service. God bless that family. Now let's go check out some Sn95 Mustangs.
Eli made this track.
DJ Eli, let's go.
Miss Meek on the track. Miss Meek on the track. Miss Meek on the track.
Hey, it's always great to see people who support you. So shout out where you're from and your Instagram.
I'm 94 Snack on Instagram. We're from Canton, Michigan.
My
Social
Instagram
media.
is Austin_Howard_. I'm from Michigan.
Lucifer GT, Michigan.
Sn95 Mustang.
Hey, this guy is always special to me because this is the guy who allowed me to do my first write-up on the Instagram. So, hey, I appreciate you.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Being the first one. I feel honored.
Let's check out some of these cars.
So it's on Whistler SK1s. It's a 275 in the front and 295 in the rear. It's on BC Racing coilovers, BR series. It's got BBK long tube headers, BBK X pipe, and pipe violator mufflers welded into the stock catback.
Nice.
It's got, I think it's a BBK cold air intake and a BBK throttle body, 65mm throttle body.
Now, how long have you had it?
I got it, this would be my second year owning it.
Second year's on
Yeah.
it. So we were just having a conversation about a power adder possibly. What are you thinking?
I'm gonna go with, most likely, I'm gonna go with a Vortec V3 kit. I'm gonna put the Heritage gears in it.
And you really wanted to make some noise.
Yeah, that's my goal, is to be as loud as possible. Not exhaust-wise, but blower-wise.
Yeah.
Other than that, I just dynoed it with any of the bolt-ons that I have now, and it's at 254 horsepower at 297 pounds of torque.
Okay.
So,
And what kind of, I'm sorry, but I didn't ask you, but what kind of gear you got in the back?
it's a 308. It's a stock gear.
306 stock gear, okay.
Yeah.
All right,
I don't
cool.
think I'm gonna change it. I kind of like it, staying in second longer, and so I can beat Cameron over here.
So how many hours did you drive this here?
9 hours.
9 hours, man. Y'all some troopers.
Yeah.
But hey, man, pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
I thank you for the support.
Yeah.
Make sure you go follow his social media platform. Shout out again.
94_snack.
All right. So what do you think? Lots of beautiful Sn95s out there, outside and inside. And we do have an inside video of strictly of the cars inside. We have a top Sn95s of the convention center coming out pretty soon. We also have a video coming for our meet and greet that Iron and Asphalt's Customs, AKA Coats 216, and I put together. That was great. I say it was just a beautiful time down there. Got a chance to meet some subscribers, some followers on the gram. Everybody's friendly down there. It's a beautiful time. So if you haven't been, make sure you make it down there. You know, car show season is in full effect. So the car show circuit, at least for this channel, we have maybe 3 or 4 shows that we're gonna do. We're always gonna keep you in tune to every show that we're gonna attend. And you know, if we decide to have like a little pop-up meet, we'll actually let you guys know about that also. So, hey, I appreciate your time for watching the video. Do us a favor, tell a couple of people about the channel. Go ahead and interact with those ads. And hey, until next time, I appreciate you and God bless.